Today we're reviewing a double dome light fixture. We're going to demonstrate and show you what the light looks like and how it comes. From the providers, Tubicen. It's a 12-watt, 11-inch. Check online for further details about the sizes they offer. They offer a 9+ inch as well. It's a hanging light for kitchen islands, living rooms, and more. As we open up the package, we have the instruction guide laid on top with the hardware inside. It's protected with foam on top, as you can see as we lift up. And pulling out from the insides is the light. Black on gold, the hanging bracket. Pick the amount of hanging leads you like and place up. What we're going to show you is hung up over here, what it looks like. Removal of the screws on each of the sides. With the bracket and grounding hung up onto a lighting fixture outlet, screw on. With the one pole, slide down and attach. Some assembly is required. On the lighting fixture is a push button. We could slide the lead up as high as we want and release by pressing in and pulling out. Inside is a stopper that can be adjusted by sliding up for permanent install. Place in loads and neutral, lock down. And place up each of the hole matching the bracket. Place on the side screws, and once all tightened down, we have the option, like said, to pull down or push up for the height we need in our lamp. We don't have a full bar, we have a cosmetic bar to give the accent of lighting. And this is the bar that gives us the accent. This is the lamp. Please remove the film off of it. It's got a ball, a circle, a gold dome, and an additional dome with a white background as well. We're going to turn the light on, show you what it looks like. The light lights up when we shut off the main light so you can see. Looking from above. Hooking it up to a dimmer switch to dim down or brighten up. This is a Kelvin light, as we shown and displayed. Check online for further details about the product. With all the lights off, and we're going to raise up and then lower down, we have a lot of cable to push up. For tall ceilings, sloped ceilings, angled ceilings, over the kitchen aisle, single, double, triple, and more. To simply pull down, push up, and slide down the length of the cable you need. It throws a nice diameter of light on the floor, as you can see. A nice golden hue around the circle with 3000 plus Kelvin. So if you're looking for a light over a kitchen aisle, living room, master room, anywhere you need to hang up a lighting fixture, this product may be something that you're looking for. Black, chrome, white. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.